you could use McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
No, I'm not. Do you happen to have the Squishmallow Happy Meals?
Yeah, they just started today.
Okay, excellent. Can I get a 1 4-piece Happy Meal? Okay, can I get that 4-piece nugget Happy Meal with high C? And can I actually make it 2 of those? And then can I also get a 6-piece chicken nugget Happy Meal with high C?
Alright, and you want apples or extra fries on any of those?
Fries are fine. Another Happy Meal, please. Another 4-piece Happy Meal with a Coke and fries. And 1 more hamburger Happy Meal.
Alright, does everything look correct on your screen? That'd be $26.98.
What's up, people? All right. So, you know we've got kids, and they were freaking out about the Squishmallow Happy Meal. Don't do Happy Meals too often, but this was the case for a Happy Meal situation, so why not show it too? Got the high C to go with it. So I got a 6-piece. Kids are eating theirs. We'll show you their Squishmallows, and then Jen, you got a hamburger?
I got a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Wow. So it's been a while for a Happy Meal. Here's Happy Meal look. Double fry action. Yeah. 6-piece nugget. Is that what it is?
It is a 6-piece nugget with the extra fry, no apples.
Yeah. You got me sauce?
There's some barbecue sauce in there. I'm not sure who got what sauce, but you got some sauce.
You got like a cute little McDonald's cup. It's like a play cup. That's why you got the double, because that's still like less than a small maybe.
It's like an extra small.
Uh-huh. I mean, these are typical McDonald's. Do you think their fries will ever change?
I don't think they should.
They should do like a steak fry.
I don't think anybody would like it. McDonald's fries are McDonald's fries.
They do like poutine and quinoa and stuff like that, so maybe, you never know. 6-piece nugget. Bam. How many times do you open it up and there's 5 in there? Or there's 7. Yeah, does that happen? Let us know. We got the tangy barbecue, so we'll try that out. Let them go swimming in there in that sauce. Look at that. Wow, just a whole glob on it. The barbecue sauce, nothing to write home about, but clean off the hands a little bit. Let's get in there. Squishmallow time. So this is the first Squishmallow. This is how it comes. Look at that.
You can't see through the bag. You don't know what it is.
Kinda not. I don't know. I saw other ones like in other places, maybe like Canada or the UK, came in boxes or something. It's like kind of hard to get into. You need a knife. That's a knife. We got Gordon. Look at that. Gordon the shark.
Cheeseburger. It's been a long time since I've had a McDonald's Happy Meal cheeseburger.
Does that bring you back? Is it the same?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, tastes like a McDonald's cheeseburger.
Still McDonald's.
On to the Squishmallows. So I can see a little bit through this packaging. It looks a little pink. And I can see, can you see through it? There's a little music note you can see through there. It's a little opaque, but you can still see a little bit. Let's get in there and take a look. Looks like we have Archie the Oxalato.
Another Squishmallow.
Another Squishmallow. This one, it looks like we have another Gordon. And another Gordon.
And the last Squishmallow.
The last one.
What is it?
It's another Archie, the Oxalato. These are all the different Squishmallows that you can collect in the Happy Meals. And then on the other side of the box, there is a QR code that you go ahead and scan. And it looks like Grimace's playlist. So each one of them is going to have a playlist once you scan that QR code. And this is what it looks like. We went ahead and scanned that QR code, and then you have to take a picture or aim it at the face of your Squishmallow, and then you have a playlist for Archie.
Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.